loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, today's video is very different, very funny, very interesting, and if you are new here, if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and don't mind my sweaty as hell face you guys because the fan is off and I can't turn it on because फिर आवाज़ बिल्कुल घड़ ऐसा आएगा. Well, coming back to today's video, today I'm gonna try all the pregnant mamas like strangest pregnancy cravings. I just googled it and Google showed me top 20 such things. Like during pregnancy, women get really like hungry. I mean, the hunger gets really weird and they just try like so many of weird things. So today I will also try that and I will rate those out of 10. And first of all, if someone who is pregnant watching this video, then congratulations and my heartfelt best wishes for you because you are just going to pop out a cuter and a little version of yourself. So all the best. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to do this video very sincerely and very carefully, I really had to get this feeling, and to get this feeling I had to do this twice. Okay, now I'm in full on feel and now I'm feeling like I am nothing.
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
Okay, so the first thing that I have with me is banana with lemon. I don't know how will it go, I mean how will it taste, but I'm also very excited. Let's see. Okay, this was good and I don't know, I'm also shocked. I mean, I didn't expect it at all to be, but it was. I mean, that how I should describe the taste. I mean, banana and lemon, sweet and sour. I mean, कुछ मीठे में कुछ ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं, but कुछ हल्के से मीठे में कुछ हल्का सा खट्टा मिला देते हो तो कभी कभार अच्छा लग जाता है. वैसा ही है इसका टेस्ट and I really like this, so I'm gonna have more. Okay, so the first one went really good and I forgot to rate it. I would rate that banana with lemon 7 out of 10. Yeah, that was really good. I mean, the taste was very unique. I really enjoyed that. Now, for the next thing, I have ice cream with pickle. यार अचार के साथ कौन खाता है यार. I mean, I am also a fan of अचार. वो जो मीठा वाला होता है, I really like that. But आइसक्रीम के साथ कौन खाता है और कौन है जो इन्हें ट्राई करता है. Moving on, let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna use the lid of the ice cream as my plate because we are Indians and especially I'm Bengali, so ये हमारा thing है, हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. It's our style.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
One eternity later.
Okay, trust me, it was good. It was really good. I mean, you can assume that I have really weird taste in food, but I will admit that. But सच्ची में अच्छा था यार, मतलब सच्ची में. एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट इफ़ यू ट्राई विद द बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा वाला अचार, मतलब वो जो बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा होता है उनके साथ बिल्कुल भी अच्छा रहेगा. बट ये वाला थोड़ा सा मीठा था, ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम ही स्वीट पिकल था, बट मीठे का स्वाद थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा था. तो आई थिंक दैट्स वाई इट जस्ट वेंट वेल विद द आइसक्रीम एंड इट हैड रियली अ यूनिक टेस्ट. As you can see, I have cleared the lid with my tongue and I would rate this 9 out of 10. Really good, you can try. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I have is onion, raw onion, not like boiled or fried or anything. It's totally raw onion, as you can see, with peanut butter. It's grossing me out. I don't want to do this, but okay, I have to try it. Let's try this.
still here. Just to suffer.
ये क्या था? Okay, so for the last item that was really gross. Now I need something better in my life now. So for the next item I have spaghetti topped with sugar. I don't know how will it taste, but seems to be better than the previous ones. Let's see how will it go. मी वो जो हम बचपन में टिफिन में ले जाते थे ना मैगी, वो जो ठंडा होकर एकदम हमारे टिफिन बॉक्स के शेप में आ जाता था और वो जो हमें हथौड़े मारकर तोड़कर खाना पड़ता था, दैट वॉज लेजिट वे मोर बेटर देन दिस वन. इतना बदतर था. आई मीन कैसा था टेस्ट? शुगर जो था मेरे मुंह पर चुभ रहा था. आई कुड फील द टेक्सचर एंड विद द स्पगेटी रियली ग्रोस्ड मी आउट. लाइक I said something better, but this was even worse. चलो आगे देखते हैं हमारे साथ क्या होता है. And I would rate this 0 out of 10. Like never ever try this. Like totally bad. Okay, चलो तो moving on. I have again burnt toast, like totally burnt with peanut butter again. Let's see how will it taste. Okay, so this wasn't good, but this wasn't bad also. I mean, better than the 100 times better than the onion with peanut butter, but this was good. I mean, not bad, but for the like combination like burnt toast, like totally burnt, एकदम जला हुआ toast with peanut butter, उसके लिए तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठीक ठाक था. And I will rate it 4 out of 10. Yeah, not too much good, but not bad. Okay, so next up I have again ice cream with toast. Yeah, this is the regular toast. This isn't burnt. Oh, it has a like that bikini line, tan line. It seems like that. Hot toast. Let's see how will it taste. Okay, so this was the tastiest, the freaking tastiest till now, and I will suggest you that 100% please try this, and I promise you will love it. Like no matter how your taste is, I mean you have weird taste or like regular food taste, but you will love this. I assure you. Please try this. I will rate this 100 out of 10. Amazing. This can be a good snack, and as you can see I have sprayed all the ice cream on my bread. Now I will finish it and will quickly come back. So that was really tasty and I just enjoyed my tasty meal. Now moving on, the next item which I have is milk. It's regular milk. It's not boiled or sugared or anything else, just regular. And with this we have to eat Dorito. Yes, I don't have a Dorito. I just picked up this Garib Ka Dorito. Now let's see how will it go. The flavor is same, so I think it will be similar. Okay, so this confused me a lot because I mean the chips was in like potato and cheese flavor and this was with the milk, so the both of the flavors were very similar and they just merged with each other. Like दोनों में बिल्कुल घुल मिल गए दोनों का taste. So I am really confused and it wasn't good. I mean tasty ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी tasty नहीं था, but wasn't really bad. I mean the flavor was very similar, so it didn't gross me out. But I think if the chips were like spicy, then it may gross you out and it isn't really good for your health, like chips with milk. Do not try this at home. I will rate this 1 out of 10. Yeah, not good. Okay, so moving on to the next item, which is again peanut butter. I think pregnant women really love peanut butter because peanut butter is coming with everything and with every combo. So yeah, and with this I have to try pickle again. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm using this lid again. Just Indian things, as I said before. Okay, so this wasn't bad. I mean, इतना भी अच्छा नहीं था. Like आइसक्रीम एंड पिकल ज़्यादा अच्छा था इससे, but ये वाला भी बुरा नहीं था. I mean, for the combo, like peanut butter with pickle really grows two items together, but it was good. I mean, you can try this and it wasn't bad. The taste was like the nutty feeling with a semi-sour pickle like this. I hope you can understand it. And I will rate this 5 out of 10. Yeah, no, 6 out of 10. Not bad, but not supremely good. 6 out of 10. Okay, so the next and the last item of this video is a soggy bread. I mean, a bread totally soaked in water. चलो.
ये भी ठीक है.
That was a nightmare, like a nightmare, you guys. Never ever 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 try this at home. इतना घटिया था और बहुत ज़्यादा घटिया था, बहुत ज़्यादा. I mean, the worst thing ever I have tasted in my life. I thought that the onion and the peanut butter should be in the like topmost rank, but this was the worst. This even crossed the limit. Do not try this at home if you don't want to like vomit. Now I can understand why does pregnant women so much vomit. Okay, moving on, guys. Do not waste your food. As you saw earlier, I had taken really small quantity of everything, so the food wasn't really wasted. And yeah, that was it. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, for more such videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and you can also follow me on social media. I will put up my ID right here so you can follow me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.